Hi there, I have a question for you. Do you also perhaps own a bathtub like me? If you do, I'm pretty sure you've run into the same problems I have. What problem, you might ask? Oh, the fact that your bathtub actually gets dirty and that you actually need to clean it regularly. You might think it's a hassle and that it's too much of a problem. I just won't use my bathtub then. But actually, it's not that hard. It's actually pretty simple. In fact, today I'll teach you how to clean your bathtub with only simple things that are lying around your house. To clean up your bathtub, you're only going to need about 4 items, and these are the items as you can see. First up, you're gonna need dish soap. Any ordinary dish soap will do. Second, you're going to need a sponge. You're going to need it to scrub. And then the third, you're gonna need baking soda. And lastly, you're going to need a mixing bowl. What you want to do is you want to pour some baking soda into the mixing bowl, and then you want to pour in some soap, dish soap. Make sure it's a 1-to-1 ratio. After pouring in a 1-to-1 ratio of baking powder and dish soap, you're gonna want to mix it. Mix it well. Now that you've already mixed it, you only need to moisten your sponge and you're ready to go. You might have already wondered to yourself what that grey filmy layer that forms in your bathtub is. And it sometimes feels sticky and even gritty. And if you haven't known, the name of the substance that forms is called soap scum. In a simple explanation, soap scum is basically soap and water mixed together and then dried. However, on a scientific level, soap scum combines calcium and magnesium particles that are in water with the soap, which forms the formation called soap scum substance. Now back to the matter at hand, what you want to do is take the moistened sponge, dip it in the mixture, give a generous amount and apply it on the sides of the tub and make sure they spread evenly. After applying the substance, let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take your sponge and wet it, and what you want to do is scrub it once more. After scrubbing it one last time, what you want to do is take your spray and rinse everything off. Lastly, take your microfiber cloth or any type of cloth and dry it all off. This is what the bathtub looked like before, and this is what it looks like after.